In this video, we'll explore how to use MagicSchool's AI custom chatbots to create engaging educational experiences that your students will love. Let's find the Magic Student menu on the left-hand side. Check out the resources for student room templates and ideas. Some popular examples: the escape room. Imagine your students solving math problems to escape a haunted mansion or working through science challenges to escape a space station. These chatbots guide students through multi-step problems while maintaining excitement and engagement. The Choose Your Own Adventure chatbot allows students to make choices that affect the narrative. Think of a history adventure where students navigate the Oregon Trail, making decisions about the supplies and routes while learning about westward expansion. You'll find many different examples of custom chatbots here, so take time and explore the resources. For this video, let's go ahead and create a student room. Navigate to our menu on the left-hand side, click Rooms. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Create Room. Option 1, use the search bar and type in Custom Chatbot. Option 2, look for the Custom Chatbot tool in our menu. Now here's where the magic happens. Open up a duplicate tab, and let's use Raina's MagicSchool's AI assistant to create custom chatbot instructions tailored to your specific needs. I like to switch from fastest to smartest to get the best results. And simply tell Raina what you want. For example, write student custom chatbot instructions for me to create a U.S. History EOC review escape room for the South Carolina end of course test. Students solve problems by answering questions that would be on the EOC about the different time periods through all of U.S. history. Create different scenarios each time the students enter the chatbot and vary the questions through different time periods for this escape room. Make it 5 questions for the students to escape and allow the students 2 guesses before moving on to another room. The instructions will fill up. Go ahead and search, and what it will create is detailed instructions for setting up your custom chatbot. It might include character personas, conversation flow, and educational objectives. She'll even suggest specific prompts and scenarios. The best part, you can re-prompt Raina, ask her to adjust the difficulty levels, add more historical detail, or modify the escape room theme based on your students' interests. Let's go ahead and paste over our title into our custom chatbot. Just copy and paste into our different fields. I'm going to bring over the purpose and overview and paste that into our description. Make sure you have the grade level set to the grade level that you're looking for. And then I will copy and paste the instructions that Raina created for this chatbot and paste those over into the instructions for my custom student chatbot. You have the ability to add in files, other resources to make the custom chatbot even better. Before launching with students, always test your chatbot thoroughly. Run through the entire experience yourself using this Start Preview on the right-hand side. As the instructions are coming up, make sure that they're clear. As you're testing it, make sure the difficulty is appropriate and does it line with your learning objectives. Let's see this escape room in action. In this particular one, students are time travelers and they're going through a time machine malfunction. And so you can see that the scenario that they need to escape. There's a temporary puzzle here, and then there's a question: what was the name of the important colonial document that established rules for the Plymouth colony? We all know that that is the Mayflower Compact, and so we would put A into our chatbot. It would come back with the correct answer. The lock is disengaged, and now it's going to give us our next scenario as we're moving through this particular EOC escape room. After students use your custom chatbot, gather their feedback. What did they enjoy? Where did they get stuck? Use their insights to refine and improve the experience. Remember, the goal is educational engagement. Make sure the fun enhances learning rather than distracting from it. Custom chatbots transform passive review into active adventure. Your students won't just study concepts, they'll experience it, solve problems within it, and remember it. Ready to get started? Head to your MagicSchool dashboard, search for custom chatbots, and begin exploring. Chat with Raina to start building your first educational escape room or custom adventure, and reach out to your ILC and we'd be happy to help. Transform learning into adventure with MagicSchool's AI custom chatbot for students. Your students' next favorite lesson is just a chat away.